My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Ford Tornado. This vehicle has an L2 long wheelbase, an automatic transmission, and a diesel fuel type. This Tornado has done just over 48,000 miles. And as we step inside, we can see that it comes with 9 seats, which are all full leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. If we move on over to the touchscreen, you can see that we have navigation as a feature, as well as Bluetooth, emergency assistance, valet mode and voice control. Put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera. And we also have heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.